This is the weather forecast video for Wednesday, August the 17th, 2011. Let's take a look at the satellite image from last evening. You can see a cold front going through the western Great Lakes states, painted here. It was coming through the state of Iowa rather dry with a lack of showers and storms. Otherwise, the monsoon continues over the desert southwest. Here's the watch warning map from just before midnight. Some flash flood warnings over western Wisconsin. There had been some earlier in the Twin Cities area in Minnesota. Otherwise, the rest of the nation was rather quiet. QPF chart. Precipitation over the next 5 days through Sunday evening at 7 o'clock shows rainfall amounts in the state anywhere from a half to an inch and a half of rain, with a bullseye near Kansas City of upwards of over 2.5 inches. Here's the 0Z GFS Model Run. This is at 1 p.m. today. You can see a fast west-east flow across to the northern tier of the country and a ridge developing once again over the desert southwest and into Texas. And with that, storm system, very weak as it is, moving out of the state. High pressure moving in, bringing about some dry conditions and sunshine. Same goes for Thursday. Although model wants to show maybe a shower or storm, if any occur, they'll be very isolated. Otherwise, it'll remain partly to mostly sunny with highs in the lower 80s. Friday looks to be a day where we could see at least some late afternoon and evening shower and thunderstorm chances. Otherwise, it'll be mostly sunny in 80s. Saturday, same story. We could see some late afternoon or evening showers and thunderstorms, so likely be possibly a better chance at that. Otherwise, it'll be dry. Sunday, model still wants to put some moisture in the state. We're likely kind of leaning toward it being dry, but we can't rule out an isolated shower or storm. Monday, the high pressure over North Dakota will be influencing the weather more, so likely it'll be drying out by early next week. And Tuesday especially of next week, high pressure over southern Iowa, some cool nights and some decent temperatures with highs likely in the upper 70s to low 80s. A week from today, August the 24th, big trough over the Great Lakes states into New England, with a bit of a ridge over the Pacific Northwest ahead of a trough over Gulf of Alaska. With that, we'll see a low pressure over northern Quebec with a frontal system trailing into the Gulf. Another system over us, bringing some showers and storms there. As we head off into Voodoo, here's August the 28th. You can see a bit of an upper level feature over the Tennessee Valley and in the south. But as you can see on this, that's likely a tropical system that has made landfall about a day or two earlier down on the Florida Panhandle, if this pans out, and it's been panning out quite often. At the end of the forecast, on September the 1st, the first day of meteorological fall, we can see a west-east pattern across the northern tier of the country, and with that, a few storm systems here and there, some showers and storms scattered about. No real storms to worry about as we move into the 9th month of the year. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one tomorrow.